This is Sarah, a small business owner with a dream to open a cafe in her hometown. But there's just one problem she needs to cross: designing a unique and appealing logo for her cafe. But with no design experience or budget to hire a professional designer, how can she achieve this? This is where Logo AI steps in. In today's digital age, you can let AI-powered logo makers generate a stunning and professional logo you love. To get started, Sarah simply needs to input her cafe name into Logo AI's Logo Maker, enter a catchy slogan if she has one, and pick her preferred font style and a color scheme. And voila! Within seconds, she has hundreds of unique logo designs at her fingertips to choose from. By clicking on any logo, she can use the preview feature to visualize how it would appear in various real-life situations, whether it's on a business card or a billboard. Logo AI offers an extensive range of logo previews in different practical scenarios, which allows users to assess the versatility and adaptability of their logo design across different mediums. Suppose Sarah spots a logo that she likes, but wants to make minor modifications to make it perfect. All she needs to do is hit Edit. In the editor mode, there are 4 auto-suggest features suggesting new symbols, fonts, layouts, and colors. She can browse these suggestions and pick the logo that most suits her brand. Click on the logo symbol and then simply type coffee into the search bar. This will provide her with a variety of different coffee-related icons that she can choose from. Once Sarah is happy with her logo design and completes the purchase, she can head to Logo AI's Logo Download Center to grab a comprehensive package of her new logo. Sarah will discover an array of formats, including PNG, JPEG, PDF, and SVG for future customization. Moreover, she'll find multiple versions of her logo, including inverted color, black and white, and a version without a slogan. In the brand identity section, Sarah can download the exact font file used in her logo. She can also view the color hex codes for her logo's colors, preview mockups, and check out watermarks. The package even throws in matching Word and PowerPoint templates for a cohesive brand identity. And that's not all. If Sarah purchased the brand package, then she can go to the Brand Center and download even more brand assets, such as business cards, posters and social media, as well as access to a complete set of logo mockups on t-shirts, packaging, storefronts, computers, and more. With this package, she is all set to launch her brand on any platform, looking professional all the way. Another really useful feature is enabling Share Download Center links so she can share the logos with friends and partners. Now, we know there are lots of so-called AI logo makers out there, but Logo AI is the ultimate brand building platform. It not only helps you create a professional logo with AI, but also a complete branding center where you can download everything you need to make your brand look professional. So why wait? Go to logoai.com and let our AI-powered logo maker create the logo you love.